Hi, this is my new turtle. My new yellow-bellied turtle. She's so cute. She's a size of a quarter. I'm looking for names, so I'll leave some names in the comments. And I don't know if she's a boy or girl. I think she's a male. Yeah. This is my other turtle, a soft-shell turtle. And they're both cute. So let's go to their tank. This is their gravel and their seashells, UVB lamp, the basking area, and yep, that's pretty much it with their tank. And that's them again. Okay then.